Okay, hello YouTube. Thanks for watching. So in this video, I want to talk a bit about Second Splash. Now, I haven't spoken about Second Splash for a while, but it still goes on in the background and it's generating me leads, signups into my businesses, and also it's an incredible commission generator as well. So I'm going to talk about my commissions. I'm going to show you what you can do with this. You can build splash pages that are viralized and then get served by thousands of marketers who are viralizing your splash pages without you even having to lift a finger. I've got a downline of 470 people with this platform, and total commissions I've earned over $3,000. So if we go here now, obviously a little disclaimer. Obviously, my results are not typical, and what I'm able to do is because I've put in a lot of work and effort, and I've got a large following of people. So as you can see, if I check this column here and I select that, down at the bottom here, it's over $3,000 with this particular platform, and it's just been going on in the background. I get alerted almost on a daily basis. When getting commissions that are getting paid, straight into my account, almost, regularly. I mean, absolutely regularly, which is very nice. And the good news is that, they send you the commissions to your bank account. So you set up your Wise account and you can get paid to your Wise, and that gets sent to my bank account. So we've got everything you need in order to get set up with this. I've got all the share codes here for you guys with the tutorial and the guide. I've partnered up with Amit, my good friend, who's also in my team, and we put together an entire funnel system with this. Nice pages. Okay, as you can see. So you can use this with the share codes and promote your Second Splash business. So where's the, for example, so if you go here, this is the bridge page, and you click here and you go to the steps page, and you can get all the training you need to join Second Splash. You get to brand this, join your LeadsLeap account in the setup process. Join Mega Marketing Pro, which is my marketing system, and then go on to the next part, which is the training. Okay, and you get all the modules to get access to the training. And here we are. It's Ahmed, my good friend Ahmed, and myself. And then you can continue into the various modules to get the complete training. Now we've also got this in the back office here. Join the Second Splash. You can brand it with your Second Splash ID. Click Save. This is all in Mega Marketing Pro on step 2. So make sure that you've set that up. And thanks to Mega Marketing Pro, and thanks to my previous videos on YouTube that I've posted about Second Splash, I just continue to get leads. And the good news is that it's a viral 2-up program where when you bring someone in, they are required to pass up one referral. Okay, so they're gonna send you your referrals. Okay, which is great, which is amazing, and that's how it's so viralized. You get all the value here, and you get to build your splash pages that get served on your downlines pages as well, so that you get clicks from because they're sharing out your pages basically. It's very clever. It's a very clever platform. There's a lot of decent, excellent training and extras in the back office here that you can use. There's a lot of stats and everything, so you can, as you can see, I'm getting quite a lot of views on my splash pages, and it's working really well. I highly recommend it. So you can actually join this for free, okay, and get set up. But I do highly recommend to consider upgrading. It's a very valuable platform. Anyway, thanks for watching, guys, and see you on the inside. Okay, bye for now.